In the world of coffee, the Cuisinart coffee maker stands as a testament to versatility, innovation, and the sheer joy of a perfect brew. This two-in-one marvel combines the convenience of a 12-cup carafe with the flexibility of single-serve options, making it an indispensable kitchen companion for coffee enthusiasts. Let's delve into why the Cuisinart is not just a coffee maker, it's an experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Here's why you need it. Brewing freedom, drip or pod, hot or iced. The Cuisinart empowers you to have your coffee exactly the way you want it. The single-serve option caters to individual preferences with 5 serving sizes, ranging from 4 to 12 ounces. Whether you're a fan of Keurig K-Cup pods or prefer your blend, the optional reusable filter cup Homebarista lets you savor your favorite coffee without limitations. Extreme brew technology, time is of the essence, especially in the morning rush. The Cuisinart Coffee Maker's Extreme Brew technology ensures your full pod is ready 25% faster, providing the perfect cup of coffee without compromising on flavor. Efficiency meets excellence in every drop, offering a swift and flavorful start to your day. Carafe Brewer excellence. For those moments when a single serving isn't enough, the Carafe Brewer steps in with a 12-cup capacity. The glass carafe, adorned with a stainless steel handle and body, complements the fully automatic features seamlessly. The 24-hour brew start, self-clean, auto-off, and ready alert system make brewing a breeze, letting you focus on enjoying your coffee. Must-have features for coffee aficionados. Customization is key, and the Cuisinart ensures you're in control of your brew. Adjust the strength of your coffee from light to bold, and set your carafe water temperature to perfection, thanks to the charcoal water filter. It's not just a coffee maker, it's a brewmaster catering to your taste preferences. Simplify your morning routine. The Cuisinart coffee maker is designed to make your mornings hassle-free. The Easy View water window simplifies the filling process, ensuring you never run out of water unexpectedly. The Brew Pause feature adds a touch of convenience, allowing you to pour a cup even before the brew cycle concludes. Perfect for those mornings when impatience takes over. In conclusion, the Cuisinart coffee maker is not just a machine, it's a commitment to a superior coffee experience. From the flexibility of brewing options to the efficiency of extreme brew technology, every feature is crafted with the user in mind. Elevate your coffee ritual with the Cuisinart coffee maker, where innovation meets the art of brewing. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.